Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne. I'm here with another unboxing. This is one of my oddest shaped unboxings yet. Boom! This is an Amazon Prime, or Amazon unboxing. This shipped from Hebron, Kentucky, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, I want to say thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and appreciate each and every one of you. So, these are poles. Oops. So these are clothesline prop poles. So we try and save money when we can, and we try and help the environment. And one way to do it is we sometimes dry our laundry in our backyard. Doing it for a long time, and definitely keeps the energy levels lower during the summer and spring and part of fall. So I bought these. It's called Honey Can Do brand, and these are just simply poles that will help keep your clothesline up when you put your laundry out there. If you're able to, I recommend it. If you live in the city, you might not be able to, but we do live out in the country type, so we're able to do it. Put your underoos right out there. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can go to sites like onceupon-a-tee.net, which is where I got this cool graphic tee. Another site is riptapparel.com, R-I-P-T apparel.com. Find your shirt of choice. Use my username as your coupon code. That's London Hawthorne, and you're going to save a couple bucks off each and every order. I really do appreciate everyone who supports my channel. Check out my other thousands and thousands of videos. Hit the thumbs up button, hit the notification bell, subscribe, and check out my next video. Have a great day.